Hello, friends! Welcome to our classroom. Today, we will learn 25 look around the classroom and learn their names together. Are you ready? Let's go!
Dear kids, this is a desk. A desk is a special place where students sit, write, read books, and complete their classroom activities every day. Dear kids, this is a chair. A chair helps students sit comfortably while listening to lessons, reading, and learning new things in class. Dear kids, this is a blackboard. Teachers use the blackboard to write lessons, draw pictures, and explain important topics to students. Dear kids, this is chalk. Chalk is used for writing words, numbers, and drawings on a blackboard during classroom lessons. Dear kids, this is a whiteboard. A whiteboard is used by teachers to write notes, explain lessons, and share information with the class. Dear kids, this is a marker. A marker is used to write colorful words, numbers, and ideas on a whiteboard or blackboard. Dear kids, this is an eraser. An eraser helps remove mistakes and clean writing from a whiteboard or blackboard. Dear kids, this is a bookshelf. A bookshelf keeps books neat, organized, and easy for students to find and read. Dear kids, this is a globe. A globe shows the Earth and helps us learn about different countries, oceans, and continents. Dear kids, this is a school bag. Students use a school bag to carry books, notebooks, pencils, and other school supplies. Dear kids, this is a pencil. A pencil is one of the most important tools for writing, drawing, and learning in school. Dear kids, this is a sharpener. A sharpener makes the tip of a pencil sharp so we can write clearly. Dear kids, this is a notebook. Students use notebooks to write notes, complete assignments, and practice new lessons. Dear kids, this is a ruler. A ruler helps us measure length and draw neat, straight lines. Dear kids, these are crayons. Crayons help us add bright colors to drawings and make artwork look beautiful. Dear kids, these are scissors. Scissors are useful for cutting paper and creating fun classroom crafts and projects. Dear kids, this is a calculator. A calculator helps solve math problems quickly and accurately. Dear kids, this is a wall clock. A wall clock helps everyone know the time and stay on schedule during school. Dear kids, this is a bulletin board. Important notices, announcements, and student artwork are often displayed on a bulletin board. Dear kids, this is a projector. A projector displays pictures, videos, and lessons on a large screen for everyone to see. Dear kids, this is a computer. A computer helps students learn, research information, and practice educational activities. Dear kids, this is a water bottle. A water bottle helps us stay refreshed and hydrated throughout the school day. Dear kids, this is a lunchbox. A lunchbox keeps our food fresh and ready to enjoy during lunchtime. Dear kids, this is a map. A map helps us learn about different places, countries, cities, and geographical features. Dear kids, this is a dustbin. A dustbin helps keep the classroom clean by collecting waste and unwanted items.
Great job, kids! If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time!